Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Anawash and I'm back with another Casio unboxing. So this time around we are going to be checking out this cool Casio edifice or edifice, however you want to say it. Let's call it a Casio edifice, right? So before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Casio 171WE, a retro or vintage style watch that I thought would look good on me, but yeah, still I'm a bit 50-50 there whether it looks good on it, but still a very nice new release. Not really so new though, I think somewhere around early this year, but still quite a cracking little watch, right? So I've done a full review for this particular piece, so please do check it out. So let's get to the unboxing, right? So this is the outer sleeve. Oh, maybe there's any model number. So yeah, okay, so the model number is EFRS108D. Man, that is way too long. You can pause it if you want to know, right, the correct model number. And this is another your simple edifice Casio box, and boom, we have got the watch in question, right? So we've got the warranty card and all the okay, sapphire crystal. Okay, so I think these are the one of those Casio watches that is available for under $100 with a sapphire crystal. And yeah, I've been wanting to check out this watch for quite some time now, and yeah, let's check this out. Let's just give it a quick whack. So I didn't just bought this particular watch, so this is on loan to me from my buddy Mr. WK from @chrono.path on Instagram, right? So he has lent me quite a lot of few watches before, so yeah, thank you very much, WK. So I think the dimension of this particular watch is about 40 millimeters. Of course, we will confirm that during the full review, but it's quite tricky because it has this, how to say this, bulging area on the case. It's not really that circular, so it's kind of, it has that AP Royal Oak-ish, but it doesn't have those screws on the bezel, but rather it has a screw on the case itself. So it's quite, it's just a faux for aesthetic purposes only, right? So, and the lug to lug is also a bit difficult to measure because it doesn't really have of course it has this lug at about maybe 12 or 14 millimeters, but this is some sort of an integrated bracelet, so you can see that there is a spring bar there. But if you want to swap out straps, you have to find something custom made for this, which is quite a shame because the watch head itself look very nice indeed, right? So but the most important dimension here is the thickness at about 7 or definitely less than 10 millimeters. So of course in the full review I will be measuring that, and yeah, I don't really even bother how to check the lug width, because I'm not gonna be swapping out straps on this particular one because I don't have something that would be able to fit this, right? So anyway, so the major attraction for this, the major unique selling point of this particular piece is the that case design. So with the sapphire crystal, I don't think Casio put any anti-reflective coating on here, but check out that dial, guys. So very beautiful with those applied indices. I think it looks like applied indices because there's no, how to say, bulging from dial itself, but yeah, it's quite nice. And the gold color second hand almost almost aligned to the each minute markers. So yep, and of course we are going to have Lume on the hour indices and also the hour hands and minute hands. And yeah, check out that printed edifice logo, and with sapphire printing in gold color at the 6 o'clock, and water resist of 100 meters. And we have a black date wheel here, which okay, not that bad, so you can still see it, so no issues there. It's still legible, and it doesn't really, it doesn't break the symmetry of this watch, right? So very nice, cool looking watch. So of course we have a, I don't think, yep, this is not a screw down crown, right? So that is about 5 or 6 millimeters, right? So, and at the back we have a Casio edifice sapphire crystal with the model number and so on, right? So, and the bracelet, so yeah, it is an integrated style bracelet, so you have to, you can't really swap out the bracelets for this one. Brush finishing with with a little bit of polishing in the middle, which I really like, and it features a 3 micro adjust switch. I've to be completely honest, I've just add in 2 links in, but because my body's wrist is quite small, right? So at 6.6¼ inch, I think. So this is how it looks on the wrist. With this bracelet, and of course stamped clasp here, and the bracelet itself is a folded stainless steel, right? So yep, it's $400. You can't really complain, but still I wish it had a normal lux, right? So let's see how it looks on my wrist. My not so skinny wrist, but still, for if you are a European or American, you might consider my wrist as small, 6.75 inch wrist. And check out how that thing looks on my wrist. So very nice. very nice Casio to have for under $100. I think, I can't remember how much does this thing cost. I think you could still get this under $100. But yeah, if you guys like a grab and go watch, or you know what, just set it and forget it, and when you can't really bother, or you are in emergency situation where you don't really want to wind or set up your mechanical watch, so this is a very good do it all, go anywhere type of watch, right? So anyway guys, so I'll be wearing this for about 1 or 2 weeks and give my full review, full thoughts about it. So if you guys have any comments whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will answer in the full video review. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye. Of course guys, I totally forgot to do the lume check, so let's just charge it up using our UV light, my UV light here, and let's turn off the lights. Boom. Yep, so this is the lume that is available on this Seiko edifice, but still not that great guys, so I don't think it will last that long. But anyway, so now we can end this video. Bye bye.